Alright, here we go again. So today we're going to make classic chicken Alfredo with no broccoli, but we're serving this with homemade garlic bread. Alright, so go ahead, let's go get this going. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and dice some onions. Okay, and then now we're gonna go grab some chicken. So for this, I love using chicken thighs. Okay, so I don't like using chicken breast because I think it's kind of dry. I love chicken thighs, and because it's just juicy and just goes so well with it once you put them in strips and grill it. OMG. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and season this chicken. I'm gonna hit this with some olive oil and some ground pepper and some ground salt. Also, I'm going to add some regular iodized salt. You'll see that in a little bit. And then, I don't know if you saw my other videos, but I have a bunch of other videos about cooking. And I have what I call these hacks. Well, they're just things to make your life simple and things easy. So I have some garlic that I made and I froze. So what I do is I mince tons and tons of garlic. See right here? All right. So once I mince them, I flatten them in a freezer bag and then freeze them. So when I cook, like right now, all I do is break them off, pop them in here like this, and shake it. That's it. It thaws out in a few seconds. To me, it's better than getting garlic that's in a jar with oil or water, and it's not as fresh. When you freeze it and use it, it's just like you just cut them. When you don't have time, that's what I do. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and cook this. I'm gonna put the pan on medium high. I'm gonna drop in some oil here. At the same time, we're gonna go ahead and cook the noodles. This meal is super fast, so I just do it all at once. I did cut out some parts, but it's not too much. You can't hear the sizzling. All right, you can't hear that sizzling, but it's sizzling in. All right, so go ahead and we're gonna sear one side, and once that's done, we're gonna flip that over and sear the other side. Chicken's on medium high. All right. Okay, check out the noodles. When you cook these fettuccine noodles, you gotta cook it for about 12 minutes to your liking. You know, if you like it soggier, I do a little bit. All right, so here's the salt I was talking about. Salt. Shake it right there. And this enhances the flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and also add some Italian herbs, but I wanted to show you the can of already made Alfredo sauce because times like these, I just want to eat. Just cook the chicken, make the noodles, and then put the sauce on there. All right, this is the one I was talking about. You could put like parsley at the end of it, but when you're cooking the chicken and you fry it with this, oh man, the herbs and the aroma, it does something. I don't know, it's like magic. Okay, and sizzling right there. You see that sizzling in? All right, so yeah, I'm checking the oven because I'm also heating up those garlic bread that I made earlier. All right, so now we're towards the end. We're gonna go ahead and drop these onions. Just adds a little bit of flavor, texture. We can talk about the onions some other day, but onions is very good for flavoring. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this lid here, and we're about done. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and chop up the chicken. Oh, those are Thai tea. Make my own Thai tea because when I go to the restaurant, it's really expensive. But you can make as much as you want at home, and it tastes exactly like the restaurant. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut these into strips. Oh, and gosh, goodness. Oh, what can I do with these? All right, so we're gonna go ahead and drop this in the Alfredo sauce, stir it around. Well, actually, we're just gonna top it. There you go. And put a side of freshly baked garlic bread and all these flavors. The crunch, the softness, and the succulences of the chicken. Well, I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go ahead and grab me my Thai tea. You have a good one.